Ships sit frozen in their berths. The dock is buried under smooth snow. No footsteps have broken the stillness. The sea is quiet, thick with ice. The storm is gone, but its weight remains. Cranes and ropes stand silent and still. Echoes bounce off frozen containers. Every sound feels distant and muffled. It's a harbor caught between moments. Peace after the fury of the blizzard.